Hello, in this hint and tip we are having a look at filtering within Excel. Filtering as well as sorting tend to go hand in hand in Excel, and they're often found near each other in Excel on the ribbon. To find the filtering option, go to the Home tab and then click on the Sort and Filter button on the far right hand side. You'll see that the filter option is here. This is one way to find it. Another way is to go to the Data tab at the top, and you'll also see that the filter button is also here. To turn the filter on, select any active cell within your spreadsheet. So when I say active, I mean any cell that has data in it, and then click on the filter button. You'll notice now that drop-down arrows have appeared along the top next to the headings. To turn the filter option off, click back on the filter button and the arrows disappear. You have not broken it, you just turn the filtering option off. This is often a common comment that some people make on our courses, that they think they've broken the filter. You haven't broken it, you can just turn it on and turn it off very simply. To actually filter your data, just click on the drop down arrow next to the heading of the column you want to filter on, and you'll see that drop down arrow options, in this drop down option, that a number of tick box options have appeared. Click on the Select All option at the top to deselect all of the tick boxes, and then you can select the department you would like to filter on. Select OK, and you can see it is now filtered to show only those that work in accounts. To clear the filter, you can either select the Clear Filter option or tick the Select All. This will both just clear the filter from this one particular column, and the Clear option on your ribbon will clear all filters in all of your data. So if you have multiple columns filtered at once and you only want one particular column filter cleared, it's best to use one of these two options from the drop down arrow at the top of the column you're working in. You can as well filter on multiple columns. We'll go back to Department and we'll filter a couple of these options out so that there's a few departments filtered, and then under the Title option we will select one title to filter on. You can now see that it is filtered to show 3 people that match both the department filtering criteria and the title filtering criteria. I'm now going to use the Clear option at the top to clear both of those filters to get us back to before. For numbers, slightly different. It's better to use the Number Filters option as it gives you a bit more flexibility, whereas the tick box option will only do individual numbers. As well as this filtering, you may notice that there is an Advanced button at the top. This is to do with advanced filtering, but that's a topic for another hint and tip. So this was just a hint and tip looking at filtering within Excel. We hope you have enjoyed it and have learnt from it.